Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I would like to show you how to shuck a corn. That's basically just take the peeling, the surrounding material off the corn and this pot, okay? Okay, so I'm going to adjust the camera. I do have the water already boiling with a half a pot of water, a half a cup of milk, optional, you do not have to add milk, and salt. So we're going to add now some smart margarine and the corn after I show you how to clean it up, okay? Alright, so give me a second and we'll be right back. And oh, by the way, if you like this, please hit the like button and subscribe if this is your first time. Check out the links below and hang in there and let's get started, okay? Thank you. Okay, so our water is boiling. Remember, in our water we have half a cup of milk and some water about halfway the pot, okay? So we're going to put in 2 heaping tablespoons of Smart Balanced margarine for healthy cholesterol levels. 1 and 2. Okay? Alright. So now I want to show you how to get the corn out. So this is how it comes. So all you want to do is just pull down and just keep pulling down. Tear it off. This end piece, you want to just break that off. Okay, now you're going to have some excess here. Just go around as much as you can and peel it off. And you can also take your hand and go this way and this way, and it helps also get that off, okay? So now that it's all cleaned off like that, you can either boil it whole like this, or you can break it in half like this and put that in. Okay, and we're going to repeat that process with this next one. Just peeling it down, breaking off the end, cleaning up the excess off of it. And then you can go up and down. That helps get it off. Okay, and we'll clean like that. And now we're going to break that in half again or leave it whole. Okay? Okay, so you're going to boil that, I would say around maybe 8 minutes or so until the corn is tender. We'll check it at that point. Okay? And I just want to stir this around to make sure that the butter or the margarine is mixed in. There we go. Okay, we'll be back in about 8 minutes. Thanks. Okay, so the corn is out. It actually took 20 minutes before it got soft, okay? But look how bright yellow and fresh the corn looks. That's why I add some milk to mine. It helps it with the sweetness. So you try that, okay? I'm not going to be able to taste it because it's too hot right now. But I just wanted you to see the end results. Alright? How about that? Okay. So, the word of the day. The word of the day is try to plan you some trips or activities or something that you can do in the summer, especially for the kids. Check with your local town hall and see what's going on around your town and your city, or maybe you have to go to another city to enjoy the summer. Okay? Alright, that's the word of the day. Enjoy the summer, and I'll talk to you soon. Hit the like button if you like it. Check out the links below. Subscribe if this is your first time here, okay? And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.